Want to start a side hustle, but think you need a lot of money to begin? Think again. Some of the best opportunities out there require zero upfront investment, just your time, skills, and creativity. Whether you're looking to boost your income, gain financial independence, or explore a new passion, starting with no money is entirely possible. From freelancing to online ventures, there are countless ways to turn your talents into cash without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll reveal side hustles you can start with no money, helping you take that first step toward financial freedom today. Today, we will talk about side hustles you can start with no money. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. What if I told you that you can start earning money today without spending a single penny? It's not just a dream, it's entirely possible. In today's economy, side hustles are no longer just a bonus. They're often a necessity. But what if you're strapped for cash and think you can't get started? The truth is, some of the best side hustles out there require zero upfront investment. Stay with us until the very end as we reveal the top side hustle ideas for 2025 that anyone can start right now. Number 1 is so simple and effective, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. 10. Freelance services. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning money without any investment. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding, there's a market waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you set up a free profile and start bidding on projects immediately. The beauty of freelancing is its flexibility. You can work on projects that match your skill level, and as you build a portfolio, you can charge higher rates. Even if you're a beginner, offering basic services like data entry or transcription can be a great way to get started. Once you gain some experience, the sky's the limit in terms of income potential. 9. Content creation on YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the most popular ways to create a side income, and the best part is, it's free to start. All you need is a smartphone or a basic camera. The key to success is choosing a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, fitness, tech reviews, or personal finance, there's an audience out there for nearly every topic. YouTube offers multiple ways to monetize your content, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The trick is to remain consistent and focus on quality over quantity. While it takes time to build an audience, the long-term potential for passive income is enormous. Many successful YouTubers started with no money, just an idea and a commitment to growth. 8. Selling digital products. Have a knack for creating things? Selling digital products is a great way to earn passive income. Think of items like ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses. The beauty of digital products is that you only need to create them once, and they can be sold over and over again without any additional costs. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy allow you to list and sell digital products for free. Whether it's a guide on how to save money, a fitness planner, or graphic design templates, there's a market for nearly every idea. If you're creative, this could be your perfect side hustle. 7. Social media management. Are you good at growing Instagram accounts, creating engaging TikTok videos, or running Facebook pages? Many small businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for social media managers who can help them stand out online. You don't need a fancy degree to get started. Begin by offering your services to local businesses or even friends for free to build a portfolio. Once you can showcase results, you can start charging for your services. Social media management is an in-demand skill, and as more businesses go digital, the opportunities are endless. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to start earning money without any initial investment. You simply promote products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. What makes affiliate marketing appealing is its flexibility. You don't need to create a product or handle customer service. Instead, focus on promoting products you genuinely believe in. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter are great for sharing affiliate links. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. If you excel in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative side hustle. Websites like Tutorum, Preply, and Cambly allow you to sign up as a tutor for free and connect you with students around the world. Online tutoring doesn't always require formal qualifications. Sometimes being knowledgeable in a subject is enough. For example, if you're fluent in a second language, you could teach conversational skills to beginners. With hourly rates ranging from $20 to $50, this side hustle can quickly become a significant source of income. 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? Pet sitting and dog walking are fun and profitable ways to earn extra cash. Apps like Rover and Wag allow you to sign up for free and start connecting with pet owners in your area. Many pet owners are willing to pay good money for someone to care for their pets while they're at work or on vacation. Whether it's taking dogs for walks or providing overnight care, this side hustle is not only rewarding but also a great way to stay active. 3. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are in high demand, especially as businesses continue to embrace remote work. Tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling social media accounts are just a few examples of what virtual assistants do. You can start this side hustle with nothing more than a computer internet connection. Many virtual assistants earn $15 to $30 per hour, depending on their skills and experience. The best part? You can do this job from anywhere, making it an excellent option for people who need flexibility. 2. Reselling used items. Reselling is one of the simplest side hustles to start with no money. Begin by selling items you no longer use, like clothes, electronics, or furniture. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to list and sell items for free. Once you've sold your own items, consider sourcing products from garage sales, thrift stores, or even free listings online. With a bit of effort, you can turn reselling into a steady income stream. Plus, it's a sustainable way to give new life to old items. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible side hustles for people with a talent for words. Many businesses, blogs, and websites need fresh content, and they're willing to pay for it. Platforms like ProBlogger, TextBroker, and Writer allow you to sign up and start pitching your writing services for free. To stand out, focus on a specific niche like travel, technology, or personal finance. As you build a portfolio, you'll be able to charge higher rates. Freelance writing can start as a side hustle, but has the potential to become a full-time career. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.